The ZealSound Wireless Microphone K66 delivers clear studio-style sound with a condenser capsule, cardioid pickup pattern, and built-in digital noise reduction that tame room noise impressively well for home creators. Its 2.4 GHz wireless system is genuinely plug-and-play across computers, game consoles, and modern phones, so you can move freely at a desk or on camera without juggling drivers or tangled cables. Onboard controls for gain, echo, mute, and direct headphone monitoring make it easy to dial in a comfortable level and add subtle space to vocals without needing extra software. A single button switch between natural and stronger noise reduction modes helps this microphone stay intelligible in noisy rooms, which is especially helpful for streaming, remote work, and travel recording. The Bluetooth background music feature lets you layer in backing tracks or sound effects from a second device, while your voice stays on the low-latency wireless link, which works very well for live shows and classes. With long-lasting rechargeable power, a sturdy metal desk stand, multiple phone and computer adapters, and a compact footprint, the K66 kit feels thoughtfully put together for creators who want one microphone that can handle many situations.